Description of item. First is the TC driver module. It is the main controller module which will connect to your CNC controller. It has a 2-pin connector for 12 volt input and a 4-pin connector with ground, up, arc and down signals. The 4-pin connector will connect to your CNC controller. It is the display and the knob to adjust the voltage and other parameters. The optical connector for inserting the optical cable is on this side. Next is the plasma voltage sensor probe module. It has a 6-pin connector in which the HV plus and HV minus will be used to connect to the plasma voltage. It has a similar optical connector and a 12 volt input connector. It also has a 3 LEDs which will indicate the power supply, optical link and plasma voltage detection. Let's see how to power up the device. First, connect 12 volt output of the power supply to the TSC driver. The display will show the text disconnected since the TSC probe is not yet connected. Next, connect the 12 volt output of the power supply to the TSC probe. The power LED will start glow indicating the device is power up and the link LED will start blinking. Now you need to connect the driver and probe via an optical cable. Optical cable endings have a protection caps. So you should first remove these. After removing the cap, insert the one end of the cable to the TSC driver. And insert the next end to the TSC probe. Once you have connected the driver and the probe, the display will start showing the plasma voltage. It is showing 0 right now because the plasma is not connected yet. Now to set the plasma voltage, just press the knob once and the display will highlight the set. Now it means you can set the plasma voltage. Now rotate the knob to change the value and press it again to set the value. Setting menu. Now let's take a look at the setting menu of the controller. To enter the setting menu, press the knob for 5 seconds and then all parameters will be displayed. Rotate the knob to move the cursor from one parameter to the other. You can select the parameter by pressing the knob once and then rotate the knob to change the value and then press it again to set the desired value. The first parameter is max voltage, which is the maximum plasma voltage you need to detect. The default value is 200 volt. Next is minimum voltage. This is the minimum plasma voltage that you need to detect. The default is 30 volt. Next is voltage sensitivity. This is the tolerance difference in your current voltage of plasma and the set voltage. If the voltage difference goes more than this plasma sensitivity, then the up or down signal comes according to the difference. Next is arc delay. Arc delay is the delay in the arc OK signal after the plasma starts. For example, if it is set to 500 milliseconds, then the arc OK signal will be generated After the 500 milliseconds, the plasma on. You can increase or decrease its value according to your need. Next parameter is signal type. The signal type is default active low. If you want up, arc or down signal active high, you can change it. Next is set default. This will set all the parameters to the default values. Then there is a test which is used to test whether your connection with your plasma CNC is correct or not. If you select test option, then it will show you torch up, torch down, arc OK, and exit. Selecting torch up will send a signal on torch up pin of the 4-pin connector. Similarly, you can test the other two signals also. After testing the plasma CNC connections, you can press exit and go back to the main menu. And same, you can exit from the main menu.